butterfly kit. We're going to do a butterfly kit. This is hand cut by me. It is wood, 1/4 inch, comes pre-drilled with a hole. We're going to go ahead, you have the option of a cord that we're going to use, and I'll show you how we're going to use that. But it comes in 2 colors. I have purple and I have blue. So it's like a light, very light purple color and a very light blue color. That's your cord options. Your wood is a actual wood piece, so it does have grain on it and everything. It is not particle board. We're going to jump right into this. You will get an ornament string. It does come pre-drilled with a hole so that you can hang your ornament, and you will get little antennas as well. And these are kind of long, but you can either leave them long, or you can cut them and do whatever you want with those. We're going to start with our body, and we're going to paint ours white. So I'm just going to take this as a light buttermilk. Again, this is just an example. You definitely do not have to do it this way if you don't want to. Okay, I painted the front and the back. I did not do the sides because I want to do something a little bit different with the sides. I want to go ahead, I want to take some of my antique Waverly wax, and I want to just do some on the sides and just kind of to rough up the edges as well. So we're just going to take our baby wipe. There you go. All rusted, kind of roughed up and dirty, kind of grungy looking. There we go. Next part's pretty easy. We're going to just take our antennas at the side, because they're going to rest right here. Just kind of make it more of a V-shaped. Now I don't mind them being super duper long actually. I'm just going to take my ends and I'm going to curl it. Okay. So mine are going to go like so. This is just an example. You do not have to do it this way if you don't want to. I'm just going to take some of my tacky glue. Here. We're going to take, I have the purple twine for this example. And we're going to just get it started. Now you can wrap this. I gave you 32 inches of cord. You can wrap this as many times as you want. Yep. So. It makes a very cute little body, and it helps hold on your antenna. The last thing, this is super easy. Tie a knot. And voila. You have your ornament with your beautiful rustic wood butterfly. I know you can get creative and decorate this any way you want. You can have kids do it. Super easy, super simple, really. And you have a beautiful decoration all year long. Thank you for watching the Purple Penguin Craft Room. Keep on coming back for more, and happy crafting.